Hi, my name is Tibor and welcome to this pilot episode of Noodles Unboxed. We're going to be offering you bite-sized reviews of pre-packaged noodles from around the world in various styles and flavors. In the next few episodes we're going to take a look at this stack over here. And today we're going to start with this personal favorite of mine, the Yum Beef Flavour. Yum is a food producer from Thailand who have various noodle series. This is Asian cuisine with flavors more accessible to the poor palate of Western customers. Notice here that it says beef flavor. I couldn't find any beef in the ingredients, so it seems to be safe for vegetarians. I'm feeling a square block of noodles and a few small packets inside, so let's see what those are. Gently peel open the plastic. It's common for pieces of noodle to break off during transport and you don't want those flying around. After all, we're eating noodles to have a quick snack and not to spend hours cleaning up the kitchen. Well, there we go, and indeed there are the noodles which don't want to seem to come out of the bag, and some herbs and some liquid. These noodles look like ramen, and I notice kids eating this right out of the bag, which after tasting them isn't really surprising. They're nice and crunchy, not hard to chew, they've got a pleasant savory flavor. Put those in a bowl and add I didn't tear it off in one go. Add the mixture of what seems to be 5 herb spices, chili pepper and salt, and after gently kneading the bag of oils, go ahead and squeeze that out as well. This will give the soup a nice fatty texture. Yes, we're making a noodle soup, so you can add the water after the spices and you don't have to drain anything. Add enough boiling, or at least very hot water, so that the noodles just begin to float. Cover it with a plate or a lid and leave it for 4 minutes, after which your soup will look exactly the same, but now the noodles have softened and you can start stirring them. These noodles aren't ready to let go of each other, but they are very tasty. It doesn't taste beefy, even though no animals were hurt during the making of this snack. It's slightly spicy as well, and the oils almost make it feel as if you've been working all afternoon to make stock. Almost. But it's definitely worth slurping this up afterwards. Yum noodles are really nice. Their website shows they have many different flavors: chicken, shrimp, beef, and more tom yummy, more Thailand specific flavors if that's what you're looking to. I can definitely recommend this brand. I would give it 4 out of 5 chopsticks. I don't know. 1 out of 5 because I definitely want to leave some room for maybe improvements. This is only the first episode so far, but the packaging is nice. The noodles themselves taste great. It's not just seasoning, there's also oil in there. There's no meat, which is a plus for some and a sad for others. If you see Yum in the supermarkets, yeah, definitely go check it out and you won't be disappointed. I hope you liked this episode. I hope you like noodles. If you didn't, but you still like this episode, please click like or subscribe or leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, noodles I should try, stuff I should wear, or places to eat noodles, then I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And I'll see you next time when we'll unbox some more noodles. Goodbye.